Hello everybody, welcome to your first tutorial. This one is going to cover Clever and everything that's on it, so stick around. First tutorial is going to be how to access your Clever account if you've never done it, which I'm hoping at this point there you've all been on Clever at least once. I know we've done it in my class, so you should have. First and foremost, I got to give a shout out to Maddie for helping me out, letting me use her login so I can show you guys how it works. Maddie is one of my volleyball players, so that's why I kind of coerced her into letting me use her login so I can show you guys what it looks like from your end, because it's a little bit different than it is from mine. So I'm going to show you how to access just all the basic stuff on Clever. I'm going to make a separate video for each different thing we're going to use, so that way if you're like, I forgot how to do this one, you can go back and look at that one specifically. So here we go. So first tutorial, like I said, is going to be Clever. I'm going to do my best to hold the camera while filming this. This is not the easiest. So when you guys log into your Clever, you log in using your Office 365. It's just clever.com. I'll post the link on Edsby also. When you log in, what you should see first is going to be your favorite resources and then the teacher pages. So these are Maddie's teacher pages because this is her login. Ours obviously is going to be eClauca. That's me right there. Yay. So in there you will find different sorts of things that I've posted. I've sorted it by grade. I couldn't do it. Each different grade couldn't look different. So if you're in 7th grade, you'll use the 7th grade stuff. If you're in 6th grade, you'll use the 6th grade stuff. Pretty easy. On Clever, this is where you're going to access everything except Quizlet and quizzes. So everything else we are going to use for this online learning that we're all kind of venturing into will be found on here. So I'm going to show you where some of it's going to be. So if on your assignment it says Clever and that's it, it doesn't say an additional page. If it just says Clever, it will be here. So for example, one of your first assignments is going to say Clever and it's going to say tutorial. If you look on here, if you are in 7th grade, this is the tutorial. If you're in 6th grade, this is the other tutorial. So if it just says Clever, again, this is where you're looking. The other things you might look for on here is Pearson, which Pearson is our online textbook that you guys have used. Okay, so it's called Pearson Realize. Pearson Realize is going to be right there for you, okay? The other thing we may use some of are our gizmos, which you guys remember, Explore Learning Gizmos. And then we also might use what's called PHET, which is just another online gizmo type thing. So we may use those. I haven't really decided yet, but those are kind of the things you need to access. But again, if it just says Clever by your assignment, you're gonna find it in the teacher page.
That's all for now. Stick around for the next tutorial.